Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. So for Christmas this year I got this awesome new palette, the Disney Midnight Masquerade collection, as well as some lipsticks and some highlighters, and I was gonna play around with those today. I'm thinking of doing a little bit of a Rapunzel themed look. I don't know what that looks like, but purples and golds? Maybe. We'll find out. So here we go. Always start by priming your face. I used this Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer and just put that wherever you'd think you're gonna put some makeup. Next, I filled in my eyebrows. Now from the Disney and Colourpop collaboration palette Midnight Masquerade, I took Damsel and packed that in a V shape above my crease and on my outer eye. Next, I took New Dream, which is a very tangled color, and put that in the outer corner of my eyelid, kind of concentrating it there, as well as blending it into my crease. Add both of those colors to your lower lash line as well. Next, I took the NYX Glitter Primer as well as Floating Lantern on my finger and packed that into the inner half of my eyelid, I would say, just to add a little bit more gold and pink. For eyeliner, I took the Benefit Roller Liner and added a nice wing, as well as their roller lash, and added some more lashes, I guess. I don't know what else to call it. Elongated the lashes that I already have. Accentuated my lashes. I don't know. However you want to say it, I added mascara. Repeat all of these steps on your other eye. For highlight, I got the Horse Carriage pressed powder highlight from the Disney collection, which is a Cinderella color highlight, and it packs a very, very dramatic punch, and I am so excited to use it for the rest of time, basically. It's a beautiful highlighter. Finally, I took the Designer collection from Colourpop, whatever, lipstick in Flynn, which is, another tangled color, and put that on my lips. I felt like it meshed really well with the eyeshadow because they were all made for the movie, and I think it worked really well. And there you have it, my Tangled inspired makeup look. Hope you liked it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Share this video if you can, if you liked the look. Check out the Disney Designer Masquerade collection, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!